nuance of your vision. Once you're happy with the layout, these powerful tools can help you visualize your entire home in 3 dimensions. You can explore every corner, every room, and every feature as if you were physically there. Imagine walking through your future living room, complete with furniture, decor, and even virtual sunlight streaming through the windows. Feel the space, sense the ambiance, and get a true feel for how your home will come together. This immersive experience allows you to fine-tune every detail, from paint colors to lighting fixtures, to the placement of furniture and decor. You can experiment with different styles and combinations until everything is perfect, ensuring that your dream home looks and feels exactly the way you envision it. With these advanced tools, you can be confident that every aspect of your home will meet your expectations and reflect your personal style. The future of home design AI takes the lead. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, AI is not just a tool, but a game-changer in the realm of home design. AI is poised to revolutionize the way we design and build homes. Architects and builders are now leveraging AI software to create more efficient, sustainable, and aesthetically pleasing structures. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more intuitive design tools, personalized recommendations, and seamless integration with smart home features. These advancements are making it easier for homeowners to visualize their dream homes and bring them to life. Imagine an AI system that can suggest energy-efficient appliances based on your floor plan. This not only helps in reducing energy consumption, but also contributes to a greener planet, or automatically adjust lighting and temperature settings to create the perfect ambience. Whether it's a cozy evening or a bright morning, AI ensures your home environment is always just right. The possibilities are incredibly exciting. From smart kitchens to intelligent living rooms, AI is transforming our living spaces into more comfortable, efficient, and personalized environments. The future of home design is here, and it's powered by AI. Ready to design your future home? AI is making it easier than ever to create a home that reflects your unique style and meets your family's needs. If you're considering a home renovation or building project, I encourage you to explore the incredible world of AI-powered design tools. You might be surprised at how much fun and how empowering it can be to design your dream home with the help of AI.